Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and minimal added sugar. Read labels to confirm sugar under 5 grams per serving and avoid hydrogenated oils. Limit a serving to 30 g or 1 ounce to control calories and keep treats occasional. Use unsweetened cocoa powder in recipes, about 1 tablespoon per serving, to boost flavanols without extra sugar. Prefer chocolate with few ingredients: cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and a small amount of cane sugar or natural sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. Add 1/4 cup chopped nuts or 2 tablespoons seeds for fiber, protein, and healthy fats to chocolate snacks. Top 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with 10 g grated dark chocolate for a controlled dessert that balances protein and indulgence. Replace 1 tablespoon sugar with 1 tablespoon mashed banana or 1 tablespoon maple syrup in recipes to reduce refined sugar while keeping texture. Portion desserts into 30 g servings. Freeze small cubes, or use molds to enforce the 1 ounce rule and prevent Use 1/2 cup applesauce to replace 1/2 cup oil in baking for lower saturated fat and similar moisture. Choose chocolate with 70% to 85% cocoa to maximize flavanols and reduce sugar, and consider 10 g cocoa nibs as a crunchy topping. When melting, stir in 1 teaspoon coconut oil for shine, but keep total added fat minimal. Enjoy chocolate mindfully, limiting intake to 1 small portion daily or 3 times weekly, and combine with whole foods like fruit, nuts, or oats to stretch satisfaction and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.